Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to introduce yourself in simple Malay. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to tell someone your name, where you are from, and greet them politely. Let's get started. Today, we will learn three simple things. First, how to say your name. Second, how to tell someone where you are from. And finally, how to introduce yourself politely in Malay. To say my name is in Malay, we say nama saya. Nama saya. This one of the most common phrase you will use when meeting someone for the first time. Let's say it together. Nama saya. For example, nama saya Alex. Okay, here an example. Let's say my name is Daniel, so I can say nama saya Daniel. Nama saya Daniel. It means my name is Daniel. You can replace Daniel with your own name. Try saying it aloud using your own name. Next, let's learn how to say where you are from. Simply say, saya dari. Saya dari. This means I am from. So saya means I, dari means from. After that, add your own country or city. Okay, for example, saya dari Malaysia. Saya dari Malaysia. This means I am from Malaysia. If you are from another country, simply replace Malaysia with your own country. For example, saya dari Paris. Saya dari Canada. When meeting someone for the first time, it's polite to say, selamat berkenalan. Selamat berkenalan. This means nice to meet you. It's a friendly expression that you can use when introducing yourself. You can use this phrase when you already know their name, and after that to say nice to meet you, you can say selamat berkenalan after that. And then you can reply the same thing. If they say selamat berkenalan, you can also say selamat berkenalan. Now, let's put everything together. Nama saya Daniel. Saya dari Malaysia. Selamat berkenalan. This is a simple and natural self-introduction in Malay. Try reading it aloud a few times until you feel comfortable. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself using these three phrases. Say your name, say where you are from, then finish by saying selamat berkenalan. Take your time and practice speaking clearly. Great job! Today you learn how to introduce yourself in Malay, you learn how to say your name, where you are from, and how to greet someone politely when meeting them for the first time. Keep practicing this phrase to build your own confidence. Okay, let's review today's vocabulary. Nama saya means my name is. So nama means name. Saya means I. So it become my name is. Saya dari means I am from. And selamat berkenalan means nice to meet you. Try reading each phrase one more time before moving on. Congratulations on completing lesson 2. You are making great progress in learning Malay. In the next lesson, we'll learn useful polite expressions that you can use in everyday conversations. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye. Thank you.